Guys, good day. This is Darwin from All About Cars. We are here right now at Okada, Manila for the Hardcore Manila, Hardcore Tokyo, and car meet all in one. And plus, there's a lot of different groups that are invited, like JDMU, Clean Culture, Street Elites, Meet Crew, and a lot more. So, because definitely this is a one big event, and there is a lot of cars. There's a ton of cars. There are still groups that have not arrived yet, but the car park here at the Bay Shore of Okada, Manila is almost full. This is crazy. You can see beautiful cars, beautiful setup, different brands, different showcase for cars. If you love this, you better watch this video until the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All About Cars, Facebook and YouTube. So yeah, we'll start some of the cars here at the end. Shout out to Moab. Moab, nasaan ka? Ayan. Let's just make a quick tour, and so that you'll be able to see what are the cars lined up here for the Hardcore Manila, Hardcore Tokyo, and Grand Meet all in one. This is a 3-day event. It started yesterday, Friday, January 30, and today is January 31. And they will still be here tomorrow, Feb 1. Wow. Napaka-solid dito.
Let's start fire engine in 1, 2, 3. Fire engine. Guys, it started.
Shout out to Auto Plus and Ravenol.
Future athlete innovations. And we have Sir Renzo with us. Please, Sir Renzo of AutoIndustria.com. My director and my manager, producer. Thank you so much. Also, up next, we'd like to say hello, Sunshine PD Room. Sir Renzo, all of the drivers present today.
Clean SIR.
We have everybody with us on stage. Thank you so much, everybody. Smile, girls. Oh, I see familiar faces. All the way from Pampanga. John, can we have John? Yeah, that is for John. Everyone, thank you so much. Auto Industria. SBK! What's up for the highlights? We have your highlights, SBK. And I see you have some my directors. You know what Japan, you know the Philippines, my directors. This is your AD.
Gaganda ng mga Pajero.
AD, with all and each of you, I now invite you to enjoy. Let's drive! Let's be hardcore! DJ James!
out to Street Elites. So those are the teams. Street Elites, guys. Solid yung lineup nila. Panic. Sir Lester. Of course, JDMU. Ganda. Guys, this is AJ Batad. Siya yung may-ari ng EG na spoon na nandun sa dulo. Yeah, solid yung auto. Kamusta?
Okay lang, kuya. Diyan ako punta kahapon. Kay RJ.
Oh, tinawagan ka nga niya. Andun kami hanggang gabi.
Oo, kuya. Next pa na lang.
Sige. Solid.
Congratulations to young Henry. Yes, I need another shout out. Everybody's arriving. Team Hardcore Adela. Let's go. Guys, I have my connectors.
For shout out to Team FD and JDMU. Sir Miko.
Full red with auto and booster red home. There goes Henry. Mr. Bird is on the drive. Let's go fly. Drive.
Clean culture, guys. Only the
I
clean.
need the loudest shout out. There you go, guys. Welcoming our ladies, of our admins, moderators, and all of you fans and friends of Hardcore Manila. Go DJ! Let's go!
Shout out, guys, to Meet Crew. Grabe rin ang lineup nila.
Look at the platform! Everybody else in the building, we are watching! Let's go!
Oo, lagi kita lang kita maunod dati.
Mr. Clean Culture himself. Mr. Cart you.
O hindi pa yun, pero hindi naman kapot dahil video ba yan? Akala ko.
Kamusta, guys? Boss Lloyd.
Low.
Boss Lloyd of
Sabayan namin yung
Clean Culture, guys. Solid. Clean Culture team. Solid. Gaganda na lineup.
Get ready, January 7th!
Oh, grabe to.
Let's go, Sonoma ladies! Let's go! Are you hardcore? Arriving live for day 2! Okada, Manila!
Shout out to Boss Miko.
Hardcore Manila!
11-18. This is the lineup of JDMU.
Let's go, DJ Check! Let's go, Takahashi!
Speaking of Boss Lester. Boss Les. Kakashout.
Abang buhay.
Yes, correct. Kaka-shoutout ko pa lang sa'yo kasi may nakita ko doon panic na sticker.
Ay,
Sabi ko, si Boss Lester, panic, and of course, member of JDMU.
JDMU.
Rosa Santilla, dumadaloy sa aming dugo.
Correct.
JW habang buhay.
Nice meeting you, sir.
Boss, palagi naman tayo nag-meet eh.
Pakita natin yung auto ni Boss Lester. Ito. Boss Henry, congrats, 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 congrats. Caffeine and Chrome, follow nyo. Facebook, lupit niyan. Lupit niya kumuha, guys. Caffeine and Chrome. Follow nyo sa Facebook. Panic sagad. Very good weather and patuloy pa rin dumadami yung tao here at Okada, Manila. This is the Bayside sa may likod ng Okada, Manila, and that's Manila Bay of course and Okada, Manila. lineup of JDMU. DC2. DC2 of Boss Walter. Shout out also to HCP, Honda Club of the Philippines. Of course, the two iconic EGs, Mugen built by Sir Errol, and shout out to Tropang EG, and of course JDMU. Solid. JDMU, HCP, and Twins yan, Twins. And of course, si Ube. Ube. Sir Errol, JDMU.
Idol, long time.
Miko, visuals.
Long time no see.
Follow nyo guys. Follow nyo. This is also one of the builds of JDMU by Boss Zap. Napaka-pogi. EG. Perfect build. Shout out to Santos Auto Salon. Santos Auto Salon. Of course, Wild Boys, JDMU. Let's also check out the big rigs. Yun.
Eh, punta na lang kamo sa shop. May mga quick cham gam dun. Kaya malaki yung sa quick cham yung mga
Guys, sobrang dami ng kotse. Para siyang super meat. Hanggang dun, oh. Grabe. That's why hindi ko mapipicturean lahat. So we'll take a video for all. Oy, Boss Job! Shout out to Boss
Yes!
Job. Kumusta, brother?
okay lang. Kayo na pa kayo?
Kakarating ko lang.
Finally. Nakakatuwa.
No? Parang super meat, no?
Oo, grabe.
Grabe.
Kaya ikot-ikot ako.
Sige.
Andiyan sila Joel?
Wala.
Wala pa.
Wala. Hindi ko nakita. Wala. Nice seeing you, brother.
Yes.
Civic Type R.
Grabe ka naman, boss.
become legendary. Let's go. Ang daming Evo. Ang daming Evo, guys. Ang daming Evo. At yan na makikita ko. Jones TV Media.
All about cars, long time no see.
Grabe.
Parang
Kailan lang ano?
kailan lang tayo magkasama.
Na kaka-video ko lang because sabi ko I'll dedicate this video to Mr. Ray Recaro of
Oh, yan.
Become Legendary.
Yan, oh,
Kita mo
totoo.
naman oh, grabe yung mga
Ray
Evo
Caro.
lineup na yan oh. Ayun oh.
From
Ayun, oh.
from si ano?
Captain and Chrome.
Of course, shoutout
Vince.
sa Vigilante. Kumaw dito. Sige po.
Vigilante.
Let's go. Gantudo.
Ray! Dapat nandito ka Ray eh oh. Ang inang gugwapo ng mga Mitsubishi Evo.
Saka dapat nandito na yung kotse mo.
Oh.
Kasi hindi na tayo. Punta pa tayo kay Gigas.
Grabe. That red Evo is yours. Shout out to Outlast Battery, Mr. Blanchard. Of course to Moab Moto TV, Sir Tutol, and of course Sir Miguel Arle.
Hinahanap ka ni Jones.
Sir, plug nyo. Car Maven.
Carmi Events 11 on March 21 sa Robinsons, Las Vegas.
Yo, let's go! Car Mavens, you know. O yung mga gusto mag-entry, follow nyo lang yung page ng Car Mavens and private message nyo. So, para maka-entry kayo. Alright. Boss Tutol.
May events March 21.
And ang Road Rage.
Road Rage, Valentine's Day, February 14.
February 14.
Sino ba host doon, Tol?
Sino host nun?
Ay, ako wala.
Sa UPLB. Then
UPL.
Stick Auto Fest.
February 21 to 22.
Sino host nun?
Sino to? Ako ay mo.
Napaka-busy, brother. Ayun.
Tapos meron pa. Yung ano, yung B2B.
B2B.
Oo,
Next
February
week.
7 and 8. Kita Tanya Chinita nandun.
Ah.
Ako din yata. Tsaka si
Kasama mo si ano?
si Racros at Tita Tanya Chinita.
Guys, pakyawan to eh. Pakyawan to si Mama. Pakyawan to si Mama.
Gusto. Hindi ko sabot. All about
Thank you,
cars.
thank you.
Thank you.
Sir Miguel, thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Old schoolers, guys. Grabe, ang gaganda oh. Box type. Old schoolers.
Okay guys, we're gonna arrange, we'll be arranging cars of hardcore and then hardcore ladies.
Pogi nito oh. Heavy. Grabe. Shout out to Vigilante Auto Works. Ito ang iconic na Sarao Jeep. Boss Froston. Kumusta, brother? Busy ah. Congrats, congrats.
Of course, I want to see something there. What is the culture?
this wraps up our coverage for the Hardcore Manila, Hardcore Tokyo. Right here, it's a 3-day event happening right now. This is a Saturday, January 31, and tomorrow they're still here, Feb 1. If you can, of course, pag na-upload ko to, tapos na yung event. But this is a solid happening. A lot of car groups have come together for this big event, and yeah, grabe, napaka-solid ng mga auto, and hope that you had a chance to visit this event. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe. All About Cars, Facebook and YouTube. And hope to see you guys soon. And let's go!
Wala din kakalimutan.
Kailangan magpapalit. Magpapayat.
Take care of your health, especially your mental health. Congratulations.
Thank you, congrats. Guys, with All About Cars pa pala.
Oy,
Sa SBK po.
Iwan. Boss,
Panic Crew, Boss Les, salamat!